Hello guys, today we are going to make some roasted flavored chickpeas. Now the ones I saw were cool ranch flavored and they're supposed to taste like the ranch Doritos. So we're going to give that a try. And we're also going to make some taco flavored ones that you can use in place of meat and stuff like taco salads, burritos, etc. And I'm really excited about these. They are low calorie and supposedly super yummy delicious. So let's get started. I have here 3 cans of chickpeas. Dried and rinsed, drained, rinsed, and then we're going to dry them. Some spray, some olive oil, my taco seasoning, also my ranch seasoning, and then I just have some paper towels. So the first thing we're going to do is dump out our chickpeas. And we want to get them as dry as we can. So I'm going to lay them in a single level. And then I'm going to put some more paper towels on top. I just kind of roll them around and try to get as much moisture as possible. Now while you're doing this, you want to go ahead and set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I could tell you what that is in Celsius, but my brain isn't working on conversions right now. Alright, so I'm going to toss these back into the strainer, just so they're out of the way, or even move them over, just so they're off the pan. That works. Alright, we're gonna spray very lightly our sheet, just so they don't stick. And then we're gonna toss them in a single layer back on the sheet pan. Now you're gonna bake these at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, but you're gonna stir them every 10 minutes. So cook for 10 minutes, give them a nice toss, cook them for 10 more minutes, toss, 10 more minutes, toss, that's 30 minutes. And then we will come back to our next step. So in the oven, 400 degrees, 30 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes. This is our 20-minute mark. We're just giving them a nice stir. We stirred them once at the 10-minute mark, and we'll stir them one more time at the 30-minute mark. Okay, so we have cooked them for 30 minutes, pulled them out, and I just separated them right in half. So we're gonna make this side ranch, that side taco, or vice versa, it doesn't really matter. So the first step is to sprinkle a wee bit of olive oil on them. This is gonna help the seasoning really stick. And just give them a nice toss, keeping them both on their respective sides. So, back to your single layer. And, whoa. Gonna open the taco seasoning. I'm not gonna do an entire pack because I split the batch in half. And for a whole batch, you're gonna do an entire pack. So I'll probably do about half of the pack. You want them to be nice and coated though, so they're good and flavorful. These are gonna be our taco ones. I'll kind of look at them and see, you know, like, should I put some more on them? Do they think they're good? I love both ranch and taco seasoning. Like the nacho fries at Taco Bell, I could eat like 12 packs of them, seriously. So I'm just gonna add a little more. So that kind of depends on you too. Like if you like a lot, then put more. I put probably about half a pack, maybe a tiny bit more. And then now we're gonna do the ranch. I'm gonna grab a different spoon so we don't contaminate. Our ranch with the taco seasoning. same thing, give them a nice toss. Oh, I'm so excited for these. And same thing, we're gonna just top them off a little bit more. I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna pop these back in the oven at 400 degrees again for 15 minutes, and then they should be ready to eat. Here they are, all nice and seasoned. They have really good flavor, but I figured they would be crunchy, almost like corn nuts or something, but they're not. But they are really good. I like the flavor. Probably could have put the entire pack of seasoning on them, just because I really, really like flavor. But overall, I think it turned out pretty well. So, give them a try. They're a really great low-calorie snack. And if you try them, rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you later. Have a great day.